Today I build Blackjack or 21. I have the steps that I have to follow, but I always like to choose the hard way. So basically we have 4 difficulties to complete this project, to complete Blackjack. This is an advanced Python user will go for the difficult level, which uses hint 1 to complete the project. A bit more experienced Python user, but not an expert, will go for hint 1 and 2 to complete the project. An intermediate Python user will use hints 1, 2, and 3 to complete the project, and a beginner will use all the hints below to complete the project. Okay, I will not check, even though we have them right here. Everything is right here. Of course that I saw them like in a very fast pace. I did not read every hint possible. I did not enter in the links provided because I want to think first. I want to try to create it myself. If I can't, of course that I will use hints. But I want to try first to create it by myself. For this, I have the Blackjack rules because we need these to create our flowchart. This being said, I will copy all this text, basic Blackjack rules, and I will place it here. I will make the font bigger. Let's bold everything. Actually, I will make it just a bit more. Okay, and I will not bold. Okay. So, the basic rules of Blackjack. Now I just want to create a sort of understanding of the basic game so I can create my flowchart. So the goal of Blackjack is to beat the dealer hand without going over 21. Here, okay. Face cards are worth 10. This is interesting. Okay, so face cards equals 10. Aces can be 1 or 11. Okay. This is going to be interesting already. I'm trying to think how I will tackle this. I love challenges, man. I love to think about problems that seem impossible. Each player starts with 2 cards. Okay. One for the dealer, 1 for you. Wait. One of the dealer's cards is hidden until the end. So each player starts with 2 cards. One of the dealer's cards is hidden until the end. Let me think a bit. So I think, so they tell me here that I got 2 cards and the dealer has 2 cards. Now one of that the cards that dealers has is hidden until the end. This means that I see one of his cards, but it's really interesting because it does not say anything about my card. Of course, because my cards are shown. I say hit me or not, and he sees my cards. Okay, okay. I don't play at casinos, guys. I think you figured that out. To hit is to ask for another card. Okay. If you go over 21, I can say this because we know that I have over 21. So we know that this applies to the dealer. Okay, next. If you are dealt 21, right? You got a blackjack, Sonny. Blackjack usually means you win 1.5 the amount of your bet. Depends on the casino. I will not. Maybe I can create. Maybe I will do an improved version of Blackjack. Let me leave this one. And I will say here updates. I will improve the code for betting as well. But for this challenge is to create the logic of Blackjack. Okay. Doubling is like a hit, only the bet is doubled and you only get one more card. I will place this for updates as well. Split can be done when you have two of the same card. The pair is split into two hands. By this I understand that I have two options to create 21. I can combine. No, I will not make it difficult for us. I will just create it easy and simple. You know what? I will place that here and I will study to see if this is what I think it is. That I can create I have basically 2 chances to have 21. Okay. Splitting also doubles the bet because each new hand is worth the original bet. Okay, let's place this one in the updates as well. Okay, you can only double split on the first move or first move of a hand created by a split. You cannot play on 2 aces after they are split. You can double on a hand resulting from a split, tripling or quadrupling your bet. Okay, so basically we have the rules here to create the basic logic of the game. This is just for the bonus updates. Okay, let's start doing it.